Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock a folder in Windows 11 with easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. The first method only locks out users on other accounts. If anyone logs into your account, they will still be able to access the folder. Go to the folder you want to lock, right click the folder and click Properties. Click Advanced and click Encrypt Contents to secure data. Now click OK. Click Apply. Here you can choose whether you want this setting to be applied to all folders and files inside the directory or just the folder. Once you're OK with your selection, click OK. Then click OK to close this page. Now you see a little lock icon here. This folder is now locked to other users. If anyone wishes to access this folder, they will have to do so through your account. If something were to happen to your profile and it became corrupted, you would be unable to access this folder. To prevent this, you should back up the encryption certificate. To do this, click the Windows icon, then type Manage User Certificates and hit Enter. Double-click Personal and double-click Certificates. On this page, locate the Encrypting File System certificate. Right-click the file, hover over All Tasks, then click Export. This page opens up. Now click Next. Click Yes, export the private key. Now click Next. Click Next again. I'll tick this checkbox next to password. Create a password, something you can remember. Type it in down here as well. I'll click Next. Now here, type in the certificate name. I'm just going to call this certificate. Now click Next. Click Finish. Then click OK. Now open up File Explorer and click Local Disk C. Double click the Windows folder. Scroll down to System32 and double click to open it. Now in the search box at the top right corner here, type in the name of the certificate file. This is the certificate. Now what you're going to do is copy this file to an external hard drive and store the drive in a safe place. Please keep in mind that this encryption method only works on the Pro edition of Windows 11. If you have another edition of Windows 11, the encrypt option will be grayed out in the properties menu. But don't worry, there's something else you can try. Open up your browser and in the search window, type WinRAR download and hit enter. Open up this option. Click this button to download the installer. Once the download is done, go to your downloads folder. Double click the installer. Click run. Then follow the prompts on screen to complete the installation. After installing WinRAR, go back to the folder you want to lock. Right click the folder. Then down here, hover over WinRAR and click Add to Archive. Now click Set Password. Here, create a password. Then down here, type it in again. Click OK. Then click OK again to begin the process. Once that's done, you can delete the original folder by clicking it and pressing Shift and Delete. Then hit Enter. I'll double click the zip file to open it. As you can see, we can still see the files inside, but if you try to extract it or open it, it will ask you for a password. So just type in the password you created and you'll be able to access it. And that's how to lock a folder in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.